I'm going home, going home. Tell the world that I'm going home. Uncle always in my video. I didn't know what to say. No. I was gonna get one the other day, but I was full. This is Shake Shack. I thought this was part of RH. Nespresso has a store. you. Your foot stuck? Close your door. I'm going home, going home. Tell the world that I'm going home. I can't have too much excitement or my husband gonna be mad because he ain't want me to miss being home, but I'm back. It's the next day. Today's Saturday. Let's roll it back. Let's roll it back. So originally, in my last vlog, I was supposed to come home that Saturday. That was supposed to be my last day in Seattle. Girl, let me tell you what happened after that man flew me out. So I'm going to the airport, me and my baby. Dropped us off at the airport. Left us at the airport, right? Then, I think once we started like updating each other, cause he got off of work at like 5 o'clock in the morning. So he's like texting me like, yeah, I'm about to shower and get some rest. Let me know when you land. And I'm like, okay, I'm about to get a coffee and change your car's diaper. We're gonna wait at our gate, at our terminal, blah, blah, blah. And we just kept like texting each other back and forth. Like you could tell we don't wanna like stop talking to each other. We're nervous. I'm getting on a flight without him. We're gonna be away from each other for a whole week. It's getting closer and closer to my flight time. And he's like, did you board? And I'm like, not yet, I'm about to. And mind you, I don't want to board this flight because it just seemed very hectic. Coming into my gate, there was this lady that was making the announcements and everything and answering everybody's questions, but she was just very like anxious, uptight. I went to get my coffee, and by the time I came back, some incident had already happened. I don't know if somebody put their hands on her or something, but she's like going off. She's upset, and it's just like, I do not want to get on this flight. Like, I'm just thinking like, I am so uncomfortable and irritable, and it just doesn't feel right. So my husband texted me and asked me if I boarded yet. I'm like, no, not yet. And he's like, I just found a $300 ticket for you to fly out back to Chicago on the same flight as me next week. So I called him because they're calling elders, veterans, military to come get on the plane. After that is gonna be families with children. So I call him, I'm like, what are you talking about? And he's like, I want you to stay with me for the rest of the next week. Don't get on the plane. I'm booking the flight right now. I'm like, okay. We're acting like two people that just started dating, and we're trying our best to like hide our feelings for each other or something. I don't know. He was supposed to be in Seattle for work for 2 weeks, and I was only supposed to go out there with him the first week, and then the second week I get home, make sure everything's good with the house, and he's getting everything together out there, and that's it. We're thinking, oh, couples need a break from each other. A week should be fine. We didn't last an hour. We might have lasted an hour and a half. But yeah, so I ended up telling the flight attendants I'm not getting on this plane. Yeah, I went back out of the airport and into the arms of my man, and I stayed in Seattle another week. So that's what you saw in the beginning of the video. Just me going to like a Black-owned restaurant, going to the outdoor shopping mall. That was really pretty. And it was just fun. Like, the second week was way more fun than the first week. It was like more chill, more easygoing. He didn't even work that much. Like, it was nice. It was nice. It was like a little vacation. But I am so happy to be back home. I'm happy to be back in my bed. I'm happy to be back in some sunlight. That hotel suite was like so dark. But yeah, I had a really good time. I want to do a separate video of me doing my hair, doing a hair vlog. That's what next week is going to be about. So I just want to get this out and explain why I was in Seattle for 2 weeks instead of 1 week. So yeah, and then on top of that, with today being Saturday and tomorrow I'm supposed to post this video, my baby woke up with a cold. Or I should say he went to bed with a cold, because last night his nose was running after we got off the plane. And then in the middle of the night he was like coughing up thick saliva, so he has a cold. So I ordered some Instacart this morning. I got orange juice, cuties. I tried to get some grapes because that's like one of his favorites, but they were out. Yeah, I just got like a whole bunch of like heavy, hearty meals for dinner that I'm gonna be making. So maybe I'll vlog today and edit along the way and still be able to post this by tomorrow. And then my next vlog will be about my hair, because I'm ready to take this out. I gotta do some maintenance. I gotta wax my beard. I clipped my fingernails. I broke my toenail. I broke my toenail in Seattle, girl. Ugh. I don't even want to show you. Just know it's like 55% gone. And I didn't fall. I didn't trip. I wore my gym shoes. I went to the mall. I left the mall. Took my shoes off. And my toenail was broke. No pain, just shock. So if I look a little exhausted, drained, maybe a little sick, it's because of everything I've been dealing with for the past 2 days. But yeah, I need some rest for sure. Like, I have this sharp pain in my neck going up to my head. It's not a sharp pain, I'm sorry. It's like a throbbing, like aching pain. It's like my muscle in my neck. I need some rest. Okay. I am back in my element. I'm allowing my child, I'm extending his vacation of watching TV since he's sick. And that's gonna occupy him while I make some dinner. He doesn't have an appetite. He barely ate breakfast, skipped lunch. For dinner, we not missing dinner. We gonna give him an appetite for dinner, and I'm gonna show you how. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. I'm so mad at this little piece of fish. I really have got to start going grocery shopping on my own instead of ordering it on Instacart. Oh, I'm so mad. No wonder. Usually the fish is like $8 and something, $9 and something. This piece that she got, I just looked at the paper.
It's like $6. No wonder. Where's the fish? This is how it's supposed to feed a family of 3. And I'm not seasoning it. I'm trying not to season it that much because I want to try this new Korean barbecue style. Korean style barbecue sauce. It's like an Asian barbecue sauce. And I want to put this on the fish. It says it's sweet and savory. So I'm open to trying it. I'm not gonna put it on now because I don't want to make the texture like candy coated. I don't want it to get hard. So I think I'm gonna cook the fish halfway through and then put the sauce on it and finish cooking it. And I got my broccoli here. I'm gonna put that on in a second because the potatoes are almost done boiling. I always forget to take my sour cream and butter out ahead of time. That really gets on my nerves. I think I'm supposed to do my butter before this. I think it'll be okay. I feel like I'm rushing right now and I need to calm down before this meal turns out nasty. Yeah, because I don't think I usually put my sour cream first. I think I do butter first, then a little sour cream and my seasoning. But actually, I did do this backwards. I'm supposed to mash the potatoes a little bit first. That's how you know I'm off. I'm just thinking about my baby boy. Because I'm usually excited to use my potato masher. But it's okay. It's all in the same bowl, so it's okay. I put a little of the water from the potatoes in here so everything can be nice and fluffy. Just doing salt and pepper. I still feel like I'm rushing. Do you feel like I'm rushing? Do you feel me moving fast? I think for fun, for a little bit of fun, I'm gonna add some cheese. All right, this is baby's food. Let's see how much he's going to eat. He's all up in my grill, so he must be ready. Wish me luck. Very much.